Good morning, children. Let us start today's session with the inspirational thought. Life is like a book. Some chapters sad, some happy, and some exciting. But if never turn the page, you will never know what is the next chapter holds. So you have to face everything with boldness. Good morning, children. Let us start today by subtraction of three-digit numbers by changing hundreds. That is, whenever we start, we have to start with ones place, children. I cannot subtract, so you can check here. 6 minus 5. First number is bigger, second number is smaller. So you can subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next, come to the tens place. So here I can't subtract 9 from 7 because the first number is smaller number. So what I have to do is, children, that is I have to take 100 and change it into 10 tens. So this becomes 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. In the same way, let us solve some more examples on this. Whenever you start, children, you have to start from ones place. Now, 9 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 9 be 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, remainder is 1. No need to take borrow because 9 minus 8 is possible, children. Next, 2 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 2 be 4, 1, 0. So, one finger is remaining. No numbers, children. So, what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So, this become 12 tens. From 700s, we are taking 100. So, this becomes 600s. Now, 12 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 12 be 4, 11, 9, 8. 1 second, children. 12 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 12 be 4, 11, 10, 9. Next, 6 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 6 be 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you get 100 and 191. Next one, 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. Whenever you start with ones place. 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 be 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can subtract directly because first number is greater number. No need to take borrow. Now check. 1 is smaller than 3. So you have to take borrow. So 1 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 1 be 4, 0. There is no numbers for these fingers, children. So what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So 1 becomes 11. 6 becomes 5. 11 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 11 be 4, 10, 9, 8. 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 be 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 181. 9 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 9 be 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So you can directly subtract because the first number is the bigger number. 6 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 6 be 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There is no numbers for these two fingers, children. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow. So 6 becomes 16, 9 becomes 8. Now 16 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 16 be 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 8 is the remainder. 8 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 8 be 4, 7, 6, 5. What is remaining, children? 582. Next. Now whenever we start from ones place, children. 3 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 3 be 4, 2, 1, 0. Remainder is 0. 4 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 4 be 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Again 4 fingers are remaining, children. No number for this. Then what we have to do? We have to take borrow. So 4 becomes 14. 2 becomes 1. 14 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 14 be 4, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 1 be 4, 0. So you get 0 here. So 0, 100. So it is only 60. 60 is remaining. Next one. Whenever you start from one's place. 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 3 be 4, 2, 1. 0 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 0 be 4. Children, there is no number 0 before. 0 itself is the starting number. So, here 0 is smaller than 8. So, we have to take borrow. 0 becomes 10. 7 becomes 6. 10 in the mind. 8 in the fingers. 10 be 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 6 in the mind. 4 in the fingers. 6 be 4. 5, 4, 3, 2. So 221. Next we have 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 be 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 6 be 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And there is no numbers for these 3 fingers. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow, children. So 6 becomes 16 tens, 5 becomes 400. So 16 in the mind, 9 in the finger, 16 be 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, 4 be 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is remaining? 171. So next we can let us solve by subtracting, changing tens into hundreds. See here, start from ones place, children. Here we have 3. 3 is smaller than 5. So if 3 is smaller than 5, we have to take borrow from tens place. Is it right? Already we have solved these sums. Then again if tens place we get a smaller number, again we have to take carry from the hundreds place. So in the same way, let us solve some more examples on this method. So here we have to start from ones place, children. So here 3 in the mind. See, you can check first whether 3 is bigger than 5. No, 3 is less than 5. Or you can check by one more method. 3 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 3 be 4, 2, 1, 0. There is no numbers for these fingers, children. What you have to do? You have to take carry. So 3 becomes 13. 7 becomes 6. Now 13 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 13 be 4, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Whenever you subtract, children, greater number should be first. Greater number should be first. So now we have 6. 6 minus 9. 6 is smaller than 9. Again it is not possible. You can check it. 6 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 6 be 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There is no fingers for these fingers. There is no numbers for these fingers. Then what you have to do? Again you have to take borrow, children. So 6 becomes 16. 5 becomes 4. So here 16 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 16 be 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Next, 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. It is possible because 4 is bigger than 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 4 be 4, 3, 2, 1. So 178 is left or remaining. Whenever you start from ones place. check the first digit. First digit should be greater than the second digit. Now 7 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There is no numbers for these two fingers, children. So what you do is, what you have to do is, you have to take borrow. So 7 becomes 17. 8 becomes 7. Now 17 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Next, 7. Again check the number. Is 7 bigger than 9? No, children. 7 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again, there is no numbers for these two fingers, children. So again you have to take borrow. So 7 becomes 17, 9 becomes 8. So 17 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So again you get 8. 8 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 188 is the remainder. Next, start from the ones place, children. Now check whether first number is bigger than the second number. No. So 7 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again there is no number for this finger. So we have to take borrow. So 7 becomes 17. 4 becomes 3. 17 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 17 before, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Next, 3 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 3 before, 2, 1, 0. There is no numbers for these fingers. What you have to do? You have to take borrow again. So 3 becomes 13. This 3 hundreds becomes 200. 13 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 2 before, 1. 149 is remaining. Next one, whenever we start from ones place. 5 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 5 before, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. One finger is remaining. No number for this finger. So what you have to do is you have to take borrow. So 5 becomes 15. 6 tenths becomes 5 tenths. 15 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So you get 9 here. Now 5 is smaller than 7, children. It is not possible to subtract. So 5 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 5 before, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again 2 fingers are remaining. No numbers for these 2 fingers. So what you have to do is you have to take borrow. 5 tenths becomes 15 tenths and 6 hundreds becomes 5 hundreds. 15 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 9, 8. Now 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 5 before, 4. Now what is left? 489. Next one. So in the same method you have to solve the remaining sums also, children. When you solve by this method, by class 3 you can solve it in the mind itself. Okay, children, if you solve it, if you practice these sums, then you can solve it fastly in the mind also. I'll show you one example. How can we solve this? Just I'll show this. How can you solve it in your mind? If you practice this method fastly and more, you can solve it in this mind. So 0 minus 3 is not possible. So 10 minus 3, this becomes 4. 10 minus 3 becomes 7. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So take borrow becomes 14. This becomes 6. 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. This method comes when you practice more and more subtraction sums. Then you can do it faster than me. Okay. So now children will follow the same method. 3 minus 7 is not possible children because 3 is smaller than 7. I told you one more method. 3 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 3B 4, 2, 1, 0. There is no numbers for these fingers. Then take, borrow. So this becomes 0. 13 minus 7. 13 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 13B 4, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now 0 minus 8. 0 is less than 8 children. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So take borrow. 0 becomes 10. 6 becomes 5. 10 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 10B 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5B 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is remaining? 126. Next, start from ones place. 5 minus 7 children. 5 is smaller than 7. So it is not possible. So take borrow. 15. And this becomes 6. Now 15 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 15B 4, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Now 6 minus 8. Whether 6 minus 8 is possible children? No, because 6 is smaller than 8. So again take borrow. 6 becomes 16. 6 becomes 5. 600 becomes 500. Now children, 16 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. 16B 4, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 5B 4, 4, 3, 2. Next, 5 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. Again 5 is smaller than 7 children. So not possible. So 5 becomes 15. 1 becomes 0. So 15 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 15B 4, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 0 minus 3 is again not possible because 0 is less than 3. So make it 10, then 7. 10 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 10B 4, 9, 8, 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 7B 4, 6, 5. So children, 578 is remaining. So remaining these sums you can solve it as assignment. As much as you do the sums in mathematics, that much you can learn. So as much as you try these sums by your own, that much you be perfect on subtraction. Okay children, thank you. I hope all of you understood the subtraction of 3 digit by changing tens into hundreds. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep going children. Thank you.